days until Mason turns 15. And I'm not going to say anything else because I think he's going to have an attitude. See? All right. So what number? Wait. What number are you picking? 14? You are. It's your last Saturday in 14. Can you, like, be a little bit more enthusiastic?
You control heat/AC for 1 week.
He controls the whole house already.
That's not fucking obvious, right? You controlled y'all's asses off last night.
Hey, it's
Hey, hold on. You control the heat or AC for 1 week, solid, straight.
I'm trying to get a motel. I'm not living in an ice.
Or you could do it for 7 days that you pick, just like 1 day here, 1 day there.
Why you changing shit?
It's a week. 7 days is a week.
week.
Watch your mouth, too. You thought about that longer than you thought about anything. When your friends that were over last night complained about that they were freezing, their lips were chattering.
That's their fault. They shouldn't be cold.
All right, so that's it then. No deal.
No good.
All right, we'll see you tomorrow. This one was not that fun today.
Aaron Brighton, he brightened the video. Don't worry. Yeah.
Yesterday his head was on the ground all bloody. Is that brightening?
We're not talking about